Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another delicious recipe here for you today. We've got quite a simple recipe for you today, just something that I make at home for me and my husband. And the beauty of this recipe is, although I'm putting in these ingredients, you can pretty much change it up for whatever you fancy and whatever tastes you like. So yeah, it's pretty easy. I am using some kebabs in this recipe, but I just want to say that you can change this up and make it a vegetarian or indeed a vegan recipe if you want to. So you can pretty much swap out any of the ingredients. So let's get cooking. So you need to get a big bowl first of all. You will have seen at the start of the video, there is a picture of all the ingredients and I am going to list them below as well. To start off with, I've got 60 grams of mixed salad leaves. I have used the ones that you get in a packet ready, simply because it gives you a good mix of different leaves, but by all means you can buy separately and chop them and have them as you wish. I've then got 5 baby tomatoes, which I have quartered. I've then added half a green pepper and half a yellow pepper that has been diced. I've then got half a cup of cucumber. That's also been diced, and I have got 5 tablespoons of tinned sweet corn. So before I add the other ingredients, I'm just going to give that a little mix, just to make sure everything's all mixed in together. As you can see, it's very colourful, really nice dish to make. I generally am going to serve this as a main for 2 people, but by all means you can serve it as a side dish for 4 people. There's more than enough for that. Now to this I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of red Leicester cheese that's been grated, and I'm also going to add the same amount, 1/3 of a cup of cheddar cheese. The cheese gives a nice sort of salty taste to this, because you'll see I've not added any salt in this salad. You don't really need it. It tastes quite nice with the cheese, gives a nice little bite as well, which I quite like. You can also use stronger cheese, and again any cheese that you fancy, vegan cheese if that's how you feel. I'm then going to add some Seekh kebabs. I just bought ready-made ones and cooked them off and cut them into small pieces, as you can see, and just add those in. Again, you could add corn pieces if that's what you feel like doing, if you want a vegan or vegetarian option. You can also add paneer. I have done that in the past. You could add chicken, you can add fish if you want to, grilled fish, that can also work. So that's the main part of our salad done. In terms of dressings, you can just add lemon juice if you want to. I'm going to add a squeeze of mayonnaise, just to give it a bit of moisture. And I'm also going to add some chili sauce, because I do like my food a little bit spicy. The one I'm using is extra hot, but again, just use whatever taste you like. And again, give that a good little mix. And you can see that when you mix it, because you've added the sauces and the cheese, everything kind of gets incorporated together really well. It gives it a nice sort of a texture. The last thing you want is a boring dry salad, and this is definitely not a boring dry salad. If you want to, you can buy mini pasta as well, and boil off some mini pasta and add that as well. That adds a little bit more bulk to it if you need. And now just at the end, just to garnish, I'm going to add a handful of croutons. This is again for texture. So for me, salads are all about texture. You need to have different textures and tastes to make it enjoyable. And then I've also got some crispy fried onions. They're just the ready-made ones you get in a packet, and that's about 1/3 of a cup of crispy fried onions. You can add fresh onions if you like. I don't really like fresh onions, so I've not added those, but again, it's as per your taste. So just going to serve this up in a nice bowl, just to show you kind of how it looks when it's all served up. You can always leave out the protein and add it on the side if you want to. I have done that in the past, where I've made the salad and then I've got, for example, grilled fish, and I just add it on the side as it is, and you can eat it that way if you want to. But yeah, that's the salad, and that's a very quick and easy, simple dish. I hope you've enjoyed that video, and I hope you will like, share and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. And as always, you know, any comments, any questions that you have, feel free to comment and let me know. If there's anything you'd like me to make, let me know and I'll have a look at it. As always, have a delicious time.